what happened in the recent Ukrainian drone attack on the Russian city of Tula. The event shocked many with its boldness and tactical implications, revealing new dimensions in the ongoing conflict. In early 2023, Ukrainian forces launched a drone attack on Tula, a city located about 193 kilometers south of Moscow. This was significant because Tula is a major industrial and military hub, known for manufacturing weapons and ammunition. The drones reportedly targeted military infrastructure, causing explosions and fires. Despite the damage, Russian authorities reported no casualties. The attack demonstrated an increase in Ukraine's capability to strike deep within Russian territory, using unmanned aerial vehicles. This drone strike was not just about physical damage. It sent a strong psychological message. It revealed gaps in Russian air defense systems that previously seemed secure. Analysts believe this event showcased how drones have become a cost-effective, precise way to degrade enemy resources and morale. The strike forced Russia to rethink its defensive tactics and highlighted the increasing role of drone technology in modern warfare. The Ukrainian drone attack on Tula happened within the larger conflict between Russia and Ukraine that intensified after 2022. Such attacks show Ukraine's effort to push back and disrupt Russian military logistics. They also highlight the rapidly evolving nature of the war, where technology like drones plays a bigger role than traditional troop movements. This event adds a new layer to the conflict's complexity and signals potential shifts in future military strategies. The recent Ukrainian drone attack on Tula illustrates how technology is reshaping warfare and challenging traditional defenses. It's a vivid example of how modern conflicts evolve quickly, with new tactics and tools emerging constantly. If you want daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and stay curious with us.